Hello everyone, let's explore Camden Town today, one of the busiest streets in London. We took the underground services and got off at Camden Town station to start our journey. We reached Camden after lunchtime. It is best to visit Camden Town in the evenings to really enjoy the vibe. There are so many alleys and streets filled with vendors of all kind. It's a place where you can get anything and everything. When we first got off at the station, it was the crowd who welcomed us. Loads of people walking around, beer in their hands, different types of music playing in the background, street performers adding their bits to the place, the smell of cheesy chips, fatty beef burgers and kebabs. Even though there are several spots of amazing food from across the world, we noticed that some stalls were a little pricey than usual. For Insta-friendly yummy food, some people say it's worth the price. As we started walking, we understood that there's always something new to explore. Every turn that we took led us to something new. We saw vendors making bells from scratch to people selling a lot of silver jewelry. We saw several dance bars to authentic British pubs as well. Fashion is another unmissable factor of Camden. From vintage clothing to the most latest new generation fashion, you get everything there. The canal has become home to several people. We saw public water buses as well as locals with their family boats. We saw water buses going to the beautiful little Venice. The love logs along the bridges definitely caught our eyes on the way. There are several bridges which creates the paths for people to move around Camden easily. Camden Town or Market is definitely a place to go to if you enjoy the business of the streets. Definitely not a place to relax and find peace. Do watch our walking tour, the link is in the description, to understand the real flavor of Camden Town and its surroundings. Thank you for watching.